Good morning. I've been called to pull a card from Ancestor Spirit Oracle this morning. Let's see what message comes through for us. Spirit, what is the message for us today? What is it that we need to know? What amazing guidance can you bring us? What is it we need assistance with? What is the message for us today? Nature spirits, elves, fairies, and rock formations. Let's see what the message is for us today. The Huldafolk, or hidden people of Iceland, are strange elf-like creatures who live in mounds. It is thought that Hudafolk can connect with humans through dreams, telepathy, and direct communication. However, most people are not able to see or communicate with them. So small, brightly painted wooden doors are placed in front of rock formations or boulders where Hudafolk are thought to live. Anyone who climbs on or disturbs the Hudafolk rock dwellings are said to experience bad luck. The Hudafolk might express their anger and dissatisfaction by causing natural disasters, crop failures, or illness in humans and livestock. However, when they are happy with humans, the Hudafolk can bless farms with abundant crops, favorable weather, and smooth seas for sailing. The ancestors speak. To connect with the Hudafolk or elves, go to a quiet place in nature, especially somewhere with boulders or rock formations. Sit quietly. Psychically protect yourself. Close your eyes and pay attention to what you feel. You may be surprised at what you experience. You may even see light orbs floating around you with your physical eyes or your third eye. See if you notice any movement or shadows around the rocks. Be open to receiving messages from the Hudafolk. When you are ready to go home, respect the natural environment by thanking the local Hudafolk or elves. Divinatory meaning. Pay attention to what you see and sense when you are out in nature, particularly when you are around rock formations. As wild as it sounds, you are being called to connect with the nature spirits and elves in your area. Respect the wilderness as a home for being seen and unseen. This card may suggest someone doesn't want to be disturbed. Respect their space and let them come to you. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, Ancestors. Thank you for being you. Until next time.